Hi. Hi, boys and girls. Do you remember yesterday? The girl was looking at her bracelet and it knocked into the boy. He fell down. It was an accident. She wasn't focusing her attention and didn't mean to knock him down. So let's hear about another accident. What do you see here? What's happening? Do you see where they are? They're in the playground, right? And what do you see? Two boys. What are they doing? Riding a bike. This is Adam and Miles. They are both riding bikes in the playground. Adam isn't watching where he's going. Adam's bike runs into Miles' bike. Miles' bike runs off the path. This is an accident. Adam doesn't know that it's an accident. He doesn't know that Miles didn't mean to. But Miles doesn't know it's an accident either. So how do you think this makes Miles feel? Mad? Surprised? Sad? If you had the same idea, rub your tummy. Now, how do you think Adam is feeling? Sad? Surprised, maybe? Sorry? If you had the same idea, wiggle your fingers. Did Adam mean to run into Miles? No. Did he mean to knock Miles' bike off the path? No. Pretend you're Adam. What could you say to Miles? Maybe it was an accident. I didn't mean to run your bike. Are you okay? You could say, are you okay? It was an accident. Right, boys and girls? Accidents are not done on purpose. Adam didn't mean to. Right? Adam didn't mean to run into Miles' bike. But when accidents happen, it's important to say it was an accident. I didn't mean for this or that to happen. Just say, are you okay? Let's remember this, okay? All right. Thank you, boys and girls, for paying attention. See you later.